Hello everyone. Let's just wait for everybody to join. You can use the messages window to text if you want to say anything. Basically, this whole thing is organized like an event so that there won't be. It can be structured well for us to talk to each other. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can somebody text on the chat? Hi Chavi. Are you around? Can you? I'm just getting you on. Hello. Sorry guys, I'm trying out this new format of doing this community call. Generally we do it on Zoom. As the number of people are growing, I thought it's good to have some kind of organization. So we are like doing it on Air Meets for the first time, and we might have some trouble. So please be patient, and you can use the chat box to text anything to all the group, or ask any questions or stuff like that. Anyways, first 10 minutes is basically introduction session. Post that we actually start the thing once everybody joins. So yeah, so that's basically it. I think a bunch of people joined. I'll just like introduce each other. So Teja is here. Teja is an MLAI guy. He's my co-founder on eTex. I spoke to him about Mande chain, and he's like, he liked the whole dynamic network constant and stuff like that. So we thought he can contribute some of his AI ML chops to it as well. So he's on board. Then we have Pradeep. Pradeep is also super excited about the dynamic network constant and the entire way of modeling it. So he's here. We have Divansh, Sabri, Mani joining from IIT Madras. They are the guys who are actually, they're basically like spending their summer building Mande chain. Chavi is with us. So Chavi is comes from an NGO background, like social entrepreneurship and NGO background. So initially, when we envisioned Mande chain, we had a lot of the focus was about reaching out to humanitarian causes. So Chevi, me, Rafael, and Pratik, four of us actually thought about this whole thing on how can we solve problems using crypto, and eventually Mande chain happened. Then we have Ashrit. Ashrit is an amazing developer. He works on smart contracts and stuff. He's super excited about Web3. We have Rafael. So like I said, Rafael, me, Chavi, and Pratik, four of us actually started brainstorming about this whole thing, and then the whole thing transpired. We have Ishan Kapoor. Ishan is my friend. He studies at UCLA. Amazing computer scientist and super curious about math and stuff like that. We have Abhijit. Abhijit is my ex-employer at Moonraft. Abhijit is a very good strategic thinker, philosopher, and stuff like that. So we got Abhijit on board to help us out with a bunch of our strategic stuff going forward. Then we have Rajan. Rajan is one more developer who has been working with us on different projects. Hey Chavi, hi. Chavi is finally here, guys. Yeah, so we have Ravo Shift. Okay, my Siri is talking suddenly, sorry. So we have Ravo Shift, one of our community members, pretty young dude from Bangalore, super excited about crypto. All of you can like sort of, if you want to talk on messages, like leave a short note about yourself, just to meet others. Because yeah, Vivek Shukla, hey Vivek, I didn't meet Vivek before. Vivek, it'll be nice if you can leave a short note on messages for everybody. Then we have Aruna here. Aruna is also probably new to our network. Probably she's from Mumbai, so I'm assuming Rafael got her in. Aruna, it will be nice if you can leave a short note on the messages. The introductory session. For 5 minutes, we'll just like let everybody join the group. We have Jitendra here, one more developer working with us. So we'll let everybody join the group, and then we'll go to the actual next couple of sessions going forward, where some of you are allowed in as speakers. Rest of you can use the messaging thread to ask or talk or give any insight. So the event will last for about 1.5 hours, and it's a time bound thing, which means that like each session is basically 10 minutes or 15 minutes as per the calendar, and it'll exactly run like that. We cannot change schedules. That's one more thing. Welcome Garvit and Sabi. Nice to have you guys here. Hi Jitendra. Yeah, let's just like hold for 4 more minutes for everybody else to join. Like I said, it's a rolling schedule. There are 4 sessions totally, and all you can see the calendar on your screen, and you have to jump into those sessions. So yeah, that's what it is. Chavi, anything you want to add quickly?
No, hello everyone. I just wanted to introduce myself. Sorry for being late. My name is Chavi Jain, and I am working with Teaching at the Right Level Africa. helping governments and organizations help children read and write and do basic math. I am currently in Africa. Very nice meeting all of you and excited to be a part of this conversation.
Awesome. So let's just hold for 3 minutes for everybody to join. Then we'll have a 5 minutes break where we can jump into next session. All of you can use the messaging thread. There is a group messaging thread where everybody can type and you can either send personal messages or on the group and talk to everybody else. Thank you. Thanks for coming over here. So yeah, so a bunch of people are actually texting on the messaging thread. Thanks a lot, guys. Nice to meet you all here. Yeah, awesome. So, like I said, this particular introductory session will end in 3 minutes. Then we'll have a 5 minute break where we have to sort of jump on to the next one. So just keep track of the calendar, and that's how we sort of try to bear this 90 minutes with us. I hope you have something great to take away on the whole from the call. Thanks a lot. So we are divided into 3 parts apart from this session. First one is called introductory session on proof of credibility, where we talk about what is proof of credibility, why do we need it. It's a discussion among some of the team members. Anybody can drop their questions on the messaging box, and we will take them. Second one is a team discussion on how we plan to sort of go about doing this. Bunch of introductions about who are each of us, what are our backgrounds and stuff like that. The last bit is about technology roadmap. So as we do this event and speak about it, we are actually programming it and trying to build it. So the last session is about what is the actual product roadmap. If some of you are developers, we'll discuss about how each of you can participate and contribute code to the whole thing. That is the last session. So we have 3 more sessions like that. I hope all of you can access the messaging window. Just keep track of it so that whatever you want to ask, you want to discuss, everybody saying hello, you can respond back, meet each other if you want to talk to also. Thank you.